Joining us now, and a first on CNBC, is the company CEO, Vlad Tenev. Vlad, always good to have you.
Great to be here.
Why are you doing this?
Yeah, so last night we dramatically expanded our prediction markets offering in a couple of ways. One of the things is just making them available for people that aren't just interested in trading, but also want to see the information. And we talked about how a year ago we had one prediction market on the site, and it's grown to thousands. We think we're in the early stages of a prediction market super cycle where the amount and volumes traded in this new asset class are going to grow tremendously. And we're increasingly seeing them used not just as a tool for traders to speculate, but also as a new source of information. Let me give you an example. Your previous segment, you were talking about the Warner Brothers merger with Paramount and Netflix. Now, I think that the question on everyone's mind with something like that is, what's the likely outcome? Who, if anyone, will end up acquiring Warner Brothers? And we have a prediction market on Robinhood that answers and addresses this exact question. The interesting thing is, last night, if you look back 24 hours ago, we had on our market Paramount with 55% chance. And now I just checked while I was watching your segment, 75% chance. And I think we can try to decipher this by looking at the various stock prices of the companies, as you guys have shown. But really, prediction markets, I think, are ultimately going to be most valuable as a better forecasting tool, where you don't have to worry about modeling out the exogenous effects of all sorts of factors on a company's stock price, and you can actually get the direct answer to a very specific event. And I think that's just one of the reasons why we're in the early stages of a super cycle in this new asset class, and why Robinhood is continuing to push forward with the best products for traders and for people using it as a source of news and information.
Vlad, you're absolutely right in that it's getting used a lot. I mean, it's showing up in sell-side analyst reports. Everyone's sort of coming to it as a new source of information. But I wonder what you think the actual predictive powers of these markets are. I mean, we've all seen a chart of, my favorite is, will Beyonce show up at the Super Bowl? And odds are low. And then 2 seconds before she comes on stage, it goes to 95, 99%. Who has an edge on these things?
I mean, I think that there's such a wide variety of prediction markets. And of course, you can probably come up with examples that might look silly to pretty much anyone. But I think the power of it is we can get a real-time exchange-traded price and forecast on pretty much anything. And what we found is, talking about traders, what this allows traders to do is hyper-specialize on one specific thing. So, there's probably one area where each of us is sort of a unique expert, be it AI technology, gaming, music, entertainment. And this allows you to actually trade and specialize. And while you're trading, you produce this valuable forecast. So, I mean, we talk to customers all the time. Some of them are very, very scientific about these things, and they just collect all the information. They study it deeply, and they feel like they have the tools and the knowledge to go against conventional wisdom and trade on the things where they may have a unique edge.